All right, guys. Paul Singh, the Market Speculator, with the trade report for Friday, November 16, 2017. Let's start off with the LABU trade. Yesterday was an interesting day. We got the pop. If we look at SPY here, looked like we were trending down and going to test the 50-day, maybe even the old high if it really continuation move down, but we bounced strong. 0.85% for the Qs. IWM was up 1.5%. So really strong day. Volume picked up. Still not as much as the down days, which I would like to see green volume overtake that, but more than average volume. So that's a plus. And we've got a gap up. So now we've got an open gap here, and we've filled the gap up here. I think it's a good time to potentially take a position or two. I have no positions right now after taking profits in LABU, and let's get back to that. LABU, interesting trade, and then I got stopped out. And when I got the signal that there was a reversal in play, I actually went a little bigger. So it was 200 shares on the way down here, than 300 here, because I felt more confident in this setup. We got the bounce. Now, initially, I was going to play it through the 9, but I noticed that not only LABU, but a lot of stocks were stalling at their 9s. So I want to see clearance of that level, and I'll get back in. So let's say we're thinking of this as a trade from 64 to 82, or even higher, a test to the high at 90. You can think of it as one trade broken up in two. I'm getting out here, and I'm going to get back in if we can clear the 9. So if today we close, so watch closely today, 71.77. If we get up here, let's say 72.50, we'll give it a little room. Anywhere under 73, basically, and above 71.75. Well, 72 to 73, let's say. Anywhere in there, I'll get back in. So watch LABU. I'm looking to get back in. Now, I also came close to getting back into SOXL. Almost wish here I didn't get stopped out, but I had to at this point. When it was down to 150, that would have just been too big of a loss to hold through. But it bounced back really strong as well, and I think semis are going to start flying here as well. Came close to getting back in, but I just wanted to make sure today we get that confirmation. So I could always get back into semis as well. Look at the Qs here, up 1.28% yesterday, hitting highs. And IWM, this is what we really want to see. We want to see IWM make a comeback, so all these mid caps start moving, all of these momentum type mid cap stocks, some of the lower floats start moving. And yesterday was a good sign. Now we want to see follow through. It actually led for the first time in a long time on a one-day basis. But now we want to see that trend develop. A couple other areas. USO oil has pulled back and now is showing strength this morning. So UWT is on the radar. Initially, I was saying I want to play the break of the high, but I might play the remount of the 9. So two really potential trades today are LABU and UWT. So keep an eye on those. And then a few of the stocks, there are a lot of stuff, big techs doing this. BABA breaking its 9. I almost took this one yesterday. Netflix came very close to Netflix yesterday, but then towards the end of the day formed this tail. And I wanted to see a little more strength, but I still like Netflix, Facebook as well. So NVIDIA also strong, OLED, a little extended, but still really strong. Focus list essentially remains the same. UA is another one. I want to see it break the 9, which it's doing today. So we've got a lot of good potential trades. I would say the ones I'm closest to potentially entering today are LABU, UWT, Netflix, BABA, and UA. So keep an eye on those for potential trades today. And remember, we've got December seasonality coming up. December tends to be a good month. So at some point in December, we'll look to get aggressive. I talked a lot about that in the webinar last night. And once the link is out to it, I'll send that link to you guys. All right, guys, have a great weekend. I'll see you Monday unless there is a trade alert today.